What's the bullet? Hey everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. After I created this eyeshadow look it up, it's on YouTube. I went to Walmart, and while I was in Walmart, I decided to walk into the makeup section because I went for something else, but I said let me go check and see what they have new. And I came across Hard Candy. It's a makeup remover spray. Easily dissolve makeup. Hydrates skin with coconut oil. Fragrance free, alcohol free. And this is what it looks like. I was intrigued. Once I saw that, I was like, ooh, I have a full face of makeup. I'm going home to take it out. So let me buy this to try. So I'm going to try this. Like I say, I just bought this today. It tips so hard it pulling the cover off. So it does not say to shake it. It's a makeup remover spray. A refreshing oil-infused cleansing spray that gently and fully removes makeup, and then it's infused with coconut oil to nourish and hydrate skin. How to use? Lightly spray on your face, let sit for a few seconds, and then gently wipe off your makeup. So we're going to try this, because if this works, this will be a game changer. This I can take off. Okay, so I have this cloth right here. This side is the same I'm going to use. It's a clean one, it's just stained. But I am going to spray my face in real time with you. And I'm going to stay and stand here with you, and then we're going to wipe it and see how good it works, right? Let's do this. Okay. It does not say spray. It does not say shake. So I'm going to spray. I'm going to close my eyes, spray, so you'll see it. I'm not putting the camera off. I don't know what it looks like. You will tell me. Feels nice on the skin, I must say. Nice. It's a nice spray. It's a nice spray. It says seconds, so we'll do seconds. I'll count to 10 in my mind, and then I'll open up my eyes to wipe it. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let me bring you close so you can see. I'm going to bring you closer so you can see my face. See my face? This is what my face looks like now. Hopefully I did put enough. Wow. Okay. Let's see if that works. Okay. I'm bringing you close and personal so you can see what I'm doing. It is taking off this thing good. Well, then again, I have face powder, right? So that might be different. But nonetheless, you don't even feel like you have anything on your skin when you spray it. You can feel the spray when you start spraying, but then that's it. Nothing crazy. Okay, so now see my face? The powder is off. This is really interesting. I'm liking this already. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I have to look and see. Okay, now the eyeshadow. Let's see. I'm going in the top first. Wow. One swipe. Let's go again. I want you to see. It's taking it out. Wow. I am impressed. I am impressed. So far, so good. Let's do this. I think I need to give my eye some more. Wow, I'm gonna spray some more on my eye. So give it a few seconds. And then I'll just wipe. Because this time I put a lot. I don't wanna. That's just my lashes. I'm doing that. This is good. Take a look at my eye. This is good. This is my hard candy. I gotta go see how much it costs so I can tell you. Okay, I haven't done the bottom. This is good. This is good. This is really good. I am very impressed. That's on the other side. I'm just going over everything. It does really take off the makeup. It does take the makeup off. This hard candy spray is $7.12. I just checked my receipt. Okay, I'm going to spray a little bit on the side right here, and I'm going to use it on my lower lash line. Now, do I remember where I spray? Let's see. You see under here? I'm going to use that. You see it now? This thing works. It works, see? But that is what I wanted to try. I'm trying it today. I just bought it. I'm trying it now. I wanted to try it and show you. It does work. Hard candy makeup remover spray. If you're in Walmart, try $7.12. That's what it cost me. Well, plus tax. Thanks again for watching this demo. I will see you and talk to you again shortly. Always remember you first. And until I see you, remember to know that you're welcome here on this channel. Bye.